It's out. There's the water pump. It's out. Okay. Okay guys, I have the one new water pump. Oh, how the heck? Okay, I got the water pump. The new one. Don't fall down. Dang. Okay guys, I got connected this one already, and this one, this wire, I connected already this one, and I connected already this. I got in this one, and I have one of this in the bottom of that, so that's all tight. Yeah, tight, and this one is tight. So this all tight now, and now I have to oh no, I know I have another wire to put in here. Oh man, I forgot this one, so I have to put this one here. So I forgot this one. Not all the way yet. So this one here is supposed to be connected there, thing like that. Okay. Tight. Now I have to connect this one up. Connected. Okay. Okay guys, anyway, I got returned everything back. So I got the red back there. I put it back, the red one there, and the black over there. I returned back already. It's all there already. See, there's the black, and this is the red, and all that already also connected. That's all done. This one here, that's all done, connected, and the little wire here is connected there. So this wire is connected with this one, so all good, and that thing is tight, and one of that is in the bottom, so it's tight already. So now I'm gonna start it. I'm really afraid it's gonna happen, And God, I hope, guide me. I'll be back. Okay, this is the old one. I take it out. See, I take that out, the old one. That's the old pump for the generator. And that's the one, the new one I just put in there. So that's the new one. So you guys can see it's a big difference. So now you guys gonna see my hand. How much clean my hand is. See? See that? That's a mechanic girl. See? Dirty girl. Okay, back. Okay, so now I have 2 generators. See? 2 generators. Okay, thank you, guys. So, okay, guys. I showed you the old one and the new. The old one I take it up from that generator, and the old one I take it up from that generator. Okay, so to you guys. You guys, that's why it's not running. Another thing, this one is broken. See, this wire here, it's broken. So I got fixed that thing. I got fixed that wire. See that little one there? I got fixed. So, and now it's running. Oh my Lord. So, guys, hey, I'm a little mechanic now. Electronic, mechanic, diesel, generator. Yay! I have another extra generator now. Oh my God, so I don't have to be worried if I break down my other generator. I have another one, and I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God, God is, if He's not there, He's the one I always trusted in. He's always helped me. The Father in the highest is the one helped me, and I am really so proud of myself. Thank you, God. And now I have another generator. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me, and always watch first before you stop, so you don't knock down ni lolo, ni grandpa, my subscriber, so I don't lose it. Please don't do that, okay? Help me to build my banana, okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate it for you guys helping me, and I appreciate it. Oh, I breathe better now. Thank you, Lord. Amen. So, okay, guys. I showed you the old one and the new. The old one I take it up from that generator, and the old one I take it up from that generator. Okay, so to you guys.